welcome or welcome back. It's Italia and I just finished my hair. If you want to know how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. I'll link everything in the description below that I use, so don't worry, I got you. So jumping right into it, I'm just parting my hair into 3 sections, 2 small sections in the top and then 1 in the back. Now I'm just sectioning out the first back row, and I like to pre-part the back row because it's harder for me to do, and by just pre-parting it makes it a little easier because I can't really see the back of my head that well. Usually when I do this hairstyle, I do it on damp hair and I use the Thankyou avocado gel, but today for some reason I blow dried my hair and I use what is it called? Oh, Shine and Jam. I don't like it, I don't recommend it, but maybe it works for someone else. It probably didn't work out because I put grease in my hair, but I don't know, I'll never use it again though. So I decided to do 3 parts in this back row, and I'm just gonna braid them up so it'll be easier for me to add the passion twist hair. Yeah, the Shine and Jam wasn't giving. Like, my hair is still a little puffy, but we're not going to talk about it. So I went ahead and did a few passion twists off camera, and I'm going to show you how I do it now. So you want to start off by braiding your hair and make sure the braid is as tight as you can get it. Now you can add the passion twist hair to your hair and use your hair as a 3rd strand and braid down. And once you braid it down and it's secure enough, you can split your hair into 2 and combine it to the 2 other parts and twist down. And right here, this is what I mean by splitting your hair into two and adding it to the two other parts. So you're gonna see me add my hair to these two parts, and I'm starting to twist down. I'm looking at the length. They're cute, but I like my twist shoulder length, so I'm gonna end up cutting them to my shoulders at the end. I finished the back section. This is what it's looking like. I think it's really cute. But I'm gonna do the front section and I'll come back and show you how I do the front.
It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. Ooh. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. No, no. I'm gonna sip on the string when I'm fucked up. I should've known how to make it. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, it's tipsy. I had enough cover for 24.
So finally, we're on the last twist, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do one more time. I'm just adding the twist hair to my hair, using my hair as the third strand in a braid and braiding down until it's nice and secure. And then I'm going to split my hair into two, adding it to the twist hair and then twist down. To flatten my hair a little bit, I just added mousse to the top of my head and the strands, did my baby hairs, and put a tight scarf on for about an hour, and it looks so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you watched this far. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.